All right. So we're on our final example for this lesson where we're talking about tips and markups. Brian has $24 worth of pizza delivered to his house. He pays the bill plus a 15% tip and 7% sales tax. He also pays a $3 delivery fee that is charged after the tip and the tax. How much change does he receive if he pays with two $20 bills? All right. So this again is another question where it's multiple steps for us to solve it. So the first thing we're going to do is let's find out about the tip and the sales tax. And then after we find out those amounts, then we're going to add in the delivery fee. So they mentioned that he pays the delivery fee after the tax and the tip. Okay. So that means it's not being added into the pizza. He's not paying a tip on that includes a percentage of the delivery fee, and he's not paying taxes on a percentage using the delivery fee. So let's start here. We have $24 for the pizza that he purchases. So we're going to say sale price is $24. All right. And then now we need to figure out about the 15% tip. And so we're going to use the same formula that we've used before. So let's talk about the tip. The tip is going to be 15%. Okay, so the tip is 15%. Now we know that we can use a percent sign, the percent in our formula and multiply the amount by 15. Okay, percent. And then we're going to divide this by 100. And this is just going to give us the amount of the tip. So 24 times 15 gives me 360. Okay. And then we need to divide that by 100. Okay. And so when we take 360 divided by 100, we should come out with $3.60. Okay. So this is the tip amount. So the tip amount is $3.60. So we have that. We also have our sale price. Now, what else do we need? We also need the tax, and the tax is going to be 7%. So for that one, I'm going to use the decimal formula first to find our tax, and our tax is 7%. So to use the decimal form of the formula, we need to first convert our percent into a decimal. So I'm going to drop my percent sign, turn it into a decimal, or go to wherever the decimal is. In this case, it's in the far right. And then just move it two places to the left. So 1 and 2. So now my decimal sits right there. Okay, and I'm going to fill this blank space with a 0. So it looks like this now. 0, 7, and we have our decimal here, and I'm going to put a 0 to let us know that there's 0 wholes and 7 hundredths. Okay. Now we're going to just multiply our sale price, which is 24 times 0.07. And so 24 times 0.07 gives me $1.68. Okay, so that's $1.68. So now we have the tax amount. We have the tax, we have the tip, we also have price of the pizza. Is there anything else that we're missing? Oh, we need the delivery fee. So our delivery fee is $3. So the delivery is $3. All right. So now all that we need to do is take all of this information that we figured out, add them all together. So we have 24 plus $3.60 plus $1.68 plus $3. And that is going to give me the total amount that we need to pay. So 24 plus $3.60 plus $1.68 plus the $3 delivery fee gives me 32.28. Okay. So this is how much we're going to pay. Now the final piece is we're paying with a $40. It says two $20 bills. So two $20 bills. Paying with two $20 bills means that we're just multiplying that, right? So $20 times 2, which means that we have a $40 that we're going to use to pay it with. So we're trying to figure out how much change does he receive. So we're doing all of this work to find out how much he receives from his $40. So if we plug in the $40, take out what he's going to pay, which is $32.28, then what he should come out with is $7.72. That is how much he will have left over after he has paid all those fees.